911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, got my hand.
G-Squad, what's happening with y'all? Baby Tall Guy in the Flesh, back with another legendary video. And y'all just got done watching that legendary intro with this legendary ass whip right here. Look how that joint looking at night. Damn, is it glowing in the dark? I believe so, man. But we are here right now at World Auto Body and Paint. And we got my dog, Mr. Organic's Corvette right here, man. We just got out an hour and a half of traffic. You like that, champ? That's Big G Squad. Y'all see him all the time when I come here.
I'm out here. Hey, check out the phone.
Oh yeah, my Forgiatos are here now, man. We getting these joints installed. Look how they glowing. Are they glowing in the dark, brother, or are they glowing in the dark?
Yeah, they glowing in the dark.
Yeah, come on. I was gonna say, you know that F spin, man. That motherfucker don't just sit still unless I tell it to. And that's when it's on the web. That's when it's gonna sit still. But check this out, man. Got my dog shit put on there. He got the yellow brake calipers. This is the, bro, you're the first person in the world. I've never seen either. So I'll at least say at minimum you're the first person on YouTube.
For sure.
But I say the first person in the world that ever did this. Yeah. He put a different color brake caliper on every caliper on the whip. Come over this way right here. And what color's right here? Orange.
Come on, man, yeah.
And then you come over to this side, check it out on here, and then you got green.
You're a little freaky over here. With that good green, you know what
And that one over there is what, yellow?
That's yellow.
That's red. This one's a red.
Oh yeah, we got that red, you know, red panties. You know what I'm saying? The red panty night.
Y'all want to get 4 different color brake calipers? Come right here. My guys, all the information to their Instagram and all that stuff is in the description below. Make sure you go subscribe to me and Jazz's YouTube channel, Love and Slim. Are you subscribed to that, Armin?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
What's the last video I posted?
WAB Motorsports.
No, I said you subscribe to me and my woman's YouTube channel.
Women's channel?
Me and my woman's channel.
Oh, I didn't even know about that.
Oh, man, I'm going to get the fuck out of here, man. No, okay, yeah. No, me and my woman got our own YouTube channel.
Oh, that's cool,
It's called
man.
Love and Slim.
Oh,
Pull out your phone right now, man. You got to subscribe.
Let's check it out.
I know you, man. It's a roast. You ain't got to subscribe to that channel now. So make sure you fuck with me. Make sure you subscribe to that channel right now, too. Like our men about to do. But me and Jazz are going to San Diego tomorrow morning. And we're going to be out there for damn near type the weekend type. And it's all gonna be vlogged on our channel. I got some legendary shit plans, some shit I ain't never done in my life, but I always wanted to do. So make sure you go over to our channel and subscribe right now. Stop everything you're doing right now. Click that link in the description below. Love and Slim. Subscribe. Click the bell and do what? What you say?
Do what I'm doing.
Do what he's doing. Okay, now you go here, boom. Hit that X. Nah, we gonna do this. Oh, don't you ever skip the mask, man. Nah, don't. Here we go. Yeah, thumbs up. You help the algorithm up. So you want to keep the thumb up. You want to make sure you subscribe. And then when you hit that, you subscribing just ain't good enough. I appreciate the subscription, but you got to hit that bell. You know why you got to hit that bell right there? Because you want to make sure all videos are seen and notified every time I post one. Thumbs up, help the algorithm get that money up. Subscribe, you get the, get the notification, and that bell, make sure you get all the notifications. And the ads, what's that 3 after revenue, brother? So you got to make sure you do all the above.
You got it.
Are you, hold on now, make sure you on that with Tall Guy channel too and Mr. Organic?
No, I wasn't.
Nah, hold on. He about to get exposed. Let's see. Does it say Tall Guy Car Views on there? Oh no. Oh, he not even subscribed to 3. Oh my God. Hold on, man. Yeah, hit the goddamn bell. Yeah, all right. And now you repeat on everything I just said with Mr. Organics. No, that's not. Here go. We find out. No. Put the Tall Guy in there. Don't try to avoid this roast. Here you go. I got. Oh my God. Look at this nigga, man. Hey, man. Hey, goddamn me, yeah, man. I ain't fuck with them, man. Don't cut me, motherfucker, man. Hey, brother, you got room in there, man?
I do.
Huh?
I do.
Got to get the fuck up out of here, man. I thought I had a support over here, man. Where my G Squad nigga go, man? He done dipped out. My only supporter around this motherfucker. Huh? Armin?
I got you.
All right, man. You owe me some liquid cash for that mistake, brother. I need all the liquid cash you got this motherfucker. How much equity you got in this whole building? You got some equity in here?
A lot.
Okay, I'm gonna need that now. Handshake, that's confirmed. You owe me.
Yours.
So y'all remember that wide body that our man was talking about on that Porsche? If you watch every last video, they caught that. Look at the hood too. Damn, this is the brand new move too, y'all.
Yeah, everything's done.
Y'all killed this one. No, yeah, y'all killed it. Damn. Shit, that's crazy. I see you, Julio. Doing your goddamn Doug Dizzle champion. That's how I was gonna leave with the openness.
No, I was looking right there.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say that look kind of hard though, like that different, but a little incomplete type. Wait till I get them rims put on there. I wanted to do it today, y'all. My bad. I know I tried, man, but hey, it got late. The grind don't stop, and it's only 24 hours in a day. P1 hood. That joint hard. Hold on, brother. Wait for me now. Y'all hear that joint? Sound real goddamn motherfucking gospel. That joint clean as hell though. The rims, the tire stickers. Shout out to my guys at Tire Stickers, man, for doing such great work. You know what I mean? And tire stickers, it's a small thing, but it's a big thing, as I always tell y'all. So make sure you get your tire stickers at tirestickers.com. Link in the description below. Make sure you fuck with them, man. But anyway, we'll see you when we get back to the crib, baby, because we stuck in traffic once again. So there ain't gonna be no glorious moments. So I'll just see you when we get back. Where's that, man? Talk to him.
I just got the new Mercedes.
Huh?
Got my new Mercedes.
Yeah, his grandma bought him the business. His pops right here.
Okay, dope, man.
They say he fuck with both of us. He brought up the Love and Slim and everything. So you got the Benzo, huh? How you feeling? You feeling the big top of the mook in that bitch? Come on, man. How old is you?
17.
God damn. Nigga 17 got a Benz. That nigga. Oh shit. Bag man.
You got a dad in your life, man. You came on more than us already, man.
No question. I'll tell you right now. Only thing my dad gave me was a blunt. You feel me? So, yeah. So no, that shit. So that's big time, man. Kudos to you for that, man. You know what I'm saying?
The right path, though. You know what I'm
Can't take
saying?
all the credit. His grandparents.
That's what's up, too.
Yeah, that's still big time. No, they say it take a village to raise a child. You know what I'm saying?
5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I don't even know my goddamn grandparents.
We were just, I was watching you today from DC, like I was talking about, and we were pulling out, and I saw the Corvette, and I said, "How this doing, Daddy?"
Right.
And then turn the car, so you get out.
Hey, this brother-
I know a couple of my grandmas, right? But it sounded like you had like a real family dynamic where they was around, investing in you. You know, you know what I'm saying? Like that shit's big time, man.
Watch a piece of baseball in there, man.
Okay, that's what's up, man.
That's what's up. So we're trying to get him to go to universities and stuff like that. So
You're gonna be young, a lighter skinned Jackie Robinson, huh? Okay, champ. Yeah, my man.
If I ever had kids, they don't play the other sports like baseball, tennis, type golf.
Yup. See, I was just saying that to Ethan.
Played baseball for 40 years.
Yup. Was I not just saying that to Ethan?
big fan. You already have to watch you sit about your mom in your car.
Appreciate it.
I watch you guys do you know how to drive and everything,
Yeah.
horses and all that kind of stuff.
Nice to meet you, babe.
It got him a Benzo, huh?
Nice on you. It's Mr. Organic Talk.
He's been waiting to see you for the longest. Every time we drive,
For real?
Like downtown. Yeah, I know that you're there.
I appreciate it. Well, you want to get a picture, man? Come on. What y'all think it is, man? I already told you. 70 ball, boy. Fill that thing up every single time. That gas ain't gonna last long.
My name's Jeff, you know, I've been a follower, you know, my grandsons, my sons.
Shout all their names out, because they know they watching.
Terrion, Lil Jeff, Lajanae, Nisha, Coco, you know, we all know.
Okay.
So it's a good thing.
I appreciate that, man.
Shining, brother.
Oh, absolutely, brother.
All right.
Man, well, that's legendary. The whole family, three. Well, you have a good one. Tell everybody, say I appreciate them or they hear me now. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate you, man. You have a good one, champ. All right, dog, I will. Let's get about it now, y'all. That thing sound a lot more goddamn refurbished now that got a full tank of gas up in there, man. Let's hear my dog Corvette start out. Oh yeah, big legendary. Time to shake it, y'all. Hear that joint? Snap, crackle, pop, baby. Staples Center lit up like a goddamn Christmas tree, babe. That joint looks so beautiful. Let me get you from behind that tent so you get the full understanding of what's going on here. Here, I'm about to go down to the back cave. I'm going to the crib, parking at my spots, and then from there, we are heading to San Diego in the morning. It's gonna be legendary, but I'm gonna pick this video up off in the morning. We got some more shit happening, so just make sure y'all stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the AM. But before we go, look at the Hellbeast 2.0. We've been doing a whole lot of moving and grooving, but now we're home, gotta do some more work. Shut this joint right here. Let's be real cautious. Get that joint 6,000 for just the hood by itself. 4Gs, soon to be 4Gs. 4Gs. See y'all upstairs. Shoes. I do got the socks on. Don't ever don't think I don't got the socks on, baby. But anyway, we waiting on my dog, Mr. Organic. Actually, he waiting on me for once. Here you go right now. Let me get out the way. He knows that I can't charge that goddamn good. He don't like when I say that, but oh well. So what? Fuck it. Different color brake calipers, brother. Damn. Okay. Full understanding. Oh, I can tell with. Is that the red bottom mook? Oh. It is. That's about $500-600 a hat, correct?
Correct, brother. And that's what I'm taxed. We don't have tax.
Oh yeah, Cali tax, different type of tax. I see it. Them Gucci?
Gucci, man.
Oh, damn. You hanging with the Gucci motherfucker, man?
Wash, man.
What socks you got on? I got to see.
Man, I got the little plaid moody.
Oh, it's simple. Keep it calm.
Simplified, you know what I'm saying? But
Got the wrist candy on, the Gucci on the wrist. No homo, but look at the belt tape. What's that, Gucci too? Is that the Louis wallet you got hooked to the book? No, it ain't. Oh, he did that. Oh. With the neck candy.
I just kept it light.
And I see the ensemble with the leaves, with the hat, with the red on the roses.
Catch all that coordination, man. Shout out to John Witherspoon. All right.
Oh, all right, man. And John Wayne too, the black John Wayne. Yeah, gotta see it matching the Corvette, big rat-a-tat-tat. But I see the whip though. Different ensembles, the different ensemble. All right, brother. I can't knock you for that. Well, I'm gonna go over this way. I'm gonna get my McLaren, brother.
Gotcha.
Boy, you see his nigga. He don't know we two PTSD from each other. What's up, champ? What's up with you, baby? How you feeling?
Hey, make sure you check the car wash at Cupcake Factory, man.
Oh, yeah, shout out.
Okay.
Cupcake Factory, man.
Yeah. Cupcake, you know that's his wife and all. Yeah, them our people. We rock with them heavy.
Oh, you do?
Oh, come on, man. Yeah, that's all the people right there.
Hey, I'm out to go.
All right, champ.
Hey, always good to see you guys, man.
Always, champ. Heading out of here now. My dog 3 of them. He's up in this smoke right here, man. He got some wild shit going on in there, man. Make sure y'all rock with him, man. It's the guy Goldie, real cool ass dude, man. Him and my dog 3 got a partnership. And now, what's happening with you, champ?
Watch all your videos.
Oh, I appreciate you, baby.
Respect.
What's your name?
Anthony, bro.
Anthony. You want to shout out anything, man?
Shout out my Instagram.
Yeah, whatever you want.
It's TW3As___.
Okay, you know Mr. Organic in there?
Yeah, I know. I saw your cars. I was like, bro, no way they're in.
Yeah, he got a partnership with them, so I came out to support him. You know what I mean? Well, I appreciate you, man. How you like the McLean?
Bad, bro.
Is it nice?
Yeah, I like it.
My man.
Down too, bro.
Well, now you on the vlog now, champ. I'll see you around, all right, baby? You have a good, safe night. Thank you.
Squad.
What's happening with you, baby? How you feeling?
Good. Dude, I've been following you since Hellkeezy 1.0, Hellkeezy 2.0.
Oh, shit. Okay, champ.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
My man, what's your name?
Frank.
Frank?
Yeah.
Oh, one of my best friends, his name is Frankie.
Bro, you're the best example of how to turn your life around.
Thank you.
From the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top.
Thank you, my
You
man.
inspire a lot of people, bro. You inspire a lot of people.
I appreciate that. You got my dog, Mr. Organic, in there right now.
No, you don't have to tell me. I saw that shit.
Come on.
I
There
saw
you
that
go.
shit light up dude, it's like lighting up the night.
Appreciate it, man. We out here trying to do our best, man. You know what I mean? Thank you, man. I appreciate your words, though, man. What's your name?
Nathan.
Nathan?
Yeah.
I appreciate you, man.
I like your car, man.
Thank you, man.
My Instagram.
Go ahead, shout it out.
Nana_1JZ.
Okay, man. Well, I appreciate you, champion.
All right, man.
You have a good one, all right? All right, my man. So now we have made it safely back to the crib, and the top is on. And let's do Jazz's favorite part, when the lights flicker and all that good shit, man. But that's it for tonight, y'all. I will see y'all in the AM, baby. It is a whole new day. We're taking the McLean. I don't know if you can see Jazz behind the tinted windshield, but we're headed to San Diego right now. Obviously, we could take the Hellkeezy or the Ram Reezy, but I want to keep it extra breezy and take the McLean. So that's what we're going to do. And if you want to see more on what we're about to do on our channel, what should they do, baby?
Go click that link in the description below because we're about to do another adventure.
Yes, it is. It's going to be dope, too, right?
Yep, show it.
She don't even know what the hell we're doing, so
Show them.
it could be weak as hell. You wouldn't even know.
It sure could, but I'm gonna act like, oh my god, no. I'm playing.
So it's a whole new day, man, and we are walking over to the whips right now. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. We're gonna get right to it. There with my dog, Mr. Organic, and the Hellcat Charger, man. I just said legendary, man. We see the McLean, see the Hellkeezy, see the Ram Reezy, and see Super Serena right there, man. And my dog, Mr. Organic. Make sure y'all go subscribe to this channel. We're about to take the McLean up there and get these rims and tires put on. Gotta drop another satchel, baby. So as y'all can see, we are here at World Body Auto and Paint. You know, got the McLean getting dropped off. The rims are right here that y'all seen earlier in the video. Boom. Full everything on there, full legendariness with the spinning, but really sitting still F while the rims spin. You know, 1 + 1 = 2. You do the basic mathematics and then get back to me. But all them joints are right here, Tall Guy Edition. So we're gonna head up to Forgiatos real quick. I know it's kind of backwards, but we'll see when we get there. We're gonna leave them here. By the time we get back, the tires and rims will be off. We gotta get a car wash on that joint when we get back. You know what I mean? We went all the way to San Diego, brother. You know what I'm talking about? With the most legendariness. I ain't gonna tell them what we did.
I know, I'm
You know?
waiting for it.
Yeah, it's just, you got to go subscribe to Love It Slim if you want to see the rest. We are here at Forgiatos, man, messing with my guys over here. What's happening with you, baby? How you doing, man?
Okay, man.
You okay?
Okay.
You having a good day? Oh, you gonna step on? Arthritis acting up today?
You go down.
I thought you was gonna stand on the chair, man. You got the hat on too, man. I like the hat, man. That's your hat.
No, I understand how they look to go work. Too much talk.
Too much talk.
You're right.
All right, y'all. So we are leaving Forgiatos, man. Ooh, let's get that light right. Look at nigga looking real mellow yellow, half white, but not that goddamn white. You know what I'm saying? In the blood type. But my dog, 3 of them. You guys, rims coming for the vet.
This big time, like I said, we don't do partnerships. We don't do promotion for nobody unless we really rock with them on a personal level first. So all those guys up there are super cool. So it's only.
You're talking about up there at Forgiatos. Now we got to go back and got to get my Mclaren because I got the Forgiatos put in now. So see how we get back. So we had a little misunderstanding. So go ahead and tell them, our man.
Tire shop ended up sending the wrong tire size in the front. It's supposed to be 245, 30, 20.
So we got too big in the front,
35.
the right size in the back.
So it's rubbing in the front and it's throwing off the traction. You can't even drive it.
Check these ones. You can look real good. And you work your way over to the back.
Damn, they look so nice.
And you see them joints. Yeah, them ones are nice. And they the Michelin joints, Pilot Sports, which are nice. But the rims look good though and everything. So it's not 4G, but yeah, it's just too goddamn big in the front. But these are still Michelin. I don't know which ones though, but I don't know, they're the Pilot ones too. They just too big. That's all. Yeah. So yeah, y'all can sell a big goddamn tight squeeze. Pick it up in the morning. Then I gotta go to the wrap shop and y'all see everything that's happening in tomorrow's vlog. But all right, man, give me a call or give me an update tonight in the morning. And then I'll pick it up and y'all see that motherfucker in the morning and shit, I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, man, appreciate you, champ. We are leaving Mclaren, headed to the crib. Wanted to have the Mclaren done today, but once again, car shit happens.
Car shit happens, man.
They're disappointed.
To modify your car.
Yeah, boy.
Even rims, that's how the car supposed to
It's
come.
definitely different, no question
They
about it.
spent $1 billion on this motherfucking engineering.
Right.
Not for you to come fuck with it.
Yeah, so you know, 400% for those who may not know. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, that's it for this video. Remember, let's talk about